My name's Sheffield. I'm the founder of Manufactured Good, and we started in 2013 in a one-car garage. I feel encouraged about receiving the Servant Leadership Award. I love when people find out why they're here on earth. To see someone go from metaphorically being in neutral to going into drive is my favorite thing in the world. And I get to see it almost on a daily basis at Manufactured Good. I define a servant leader based off of my own experiences. You know, I was on the fire department almost 10 years, and I had the opportunity to work for a lot of different people. And the ones that stuck out to me were people that had a bold vision for the future. They understood that it took a team to get there, and they empowered their team to achieve a common goal. Just a few months ago, we got a call from the World Games saying that their trophy supplier had backed out. We were about 4 weeks away from opening ceremonies, and they asked us if we could create 2,000 custom steel trophies of Vulcan. And I took it to our team. Our team thought about it for maybe 15 seconds, and they said, "We've got to do it." On the bottom of every trophy, there was a little sticker that said, "Created with dignity." And our story was shared with athletes and their families all over the world. One thing that everyone can do to give back, it's nothing fancy. It's truly just caring about the people to the left and to the right of us. I think we all can truly take a look around us and see that people are in need, see that people have dreams. To take time to be curious and ask questions about what fires people up, and then ask a bolder question is, how can I help you get there? That's one simple way that every one of us can change the world.